So my name is Yao. You may know me as Way of Yao from Instagram or YouTube, and I am a social media influencer. I have quite a few different inspirations. I tend to draw from androgyny as a main theme for my makeup. You know, people like Grace Jones really inspire me. You know, heavy makeup, really bold colors, that's what I live for. So for this look, I wanted to create something that represents freedom. I feel as though in today's day and age, anybody can wear makeup, whether it be a man, a woman, or neither. And so I really wanted to go with that pride theme, where you've got almost like a rainbow sort of look going on. I decided to include the black liner because I really wanted something strong and fierce to really pierce through this look and be that finishing touch. So due to me doing a rainbow look on the face, I decided I would add contrast in the lips by using a matte black lipstick. So my name is Yao. You may know me as Way of Yao from Instagram or YouTube, and I am a social media influencer. I have quite a few different inspirations. I tend to draw from androgyny as a main theme for my makeup. You know, people like Grace Jones really inspire me. You know, heavy makeup, really bold colors, that's what I live for. So I created a look consisting of mainly neon colors. I used a neon yellow and a neon green. And I just think that the way that the colors look on my skin look absolutely stunning. I love doing makeup that really stands out. So in terms of the eye look, I wanted to almost create something that looks similar to that of a butterfly. So the way it was almost to replicate wings, the top bit and the bottom bit there, that's what I was trying to create. For my base makeup, I applied, you know, your regular foundation, concealer, and I set that with powders as well. That is just to make sure that all of my facial structure and my facial features are actually pronounced, and so that the makeup don't actually take over and that there's still a lot of definition in the face as well. After completing the face, I love to go back in to just finish off the eyes, and I like to extend my inner corners. That is going to really help to shape the eye and give you that really striking look that's almost piercing through your soul. In terms of the lip work, I really wanted to accentuate that lip shape, and I really wanted to add a lot of detail. So you had the graphic liner around it with the upside down triangle in the center, and then you had a really beautiful blended ombre in the middle, which correlated with the eye look as well. So I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. It was a pleasure to create it, and I hope you guys can take something home from it as well. Bye guys.